Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzel. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Hi, I've got an 18 by 24 inch canvas and OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula that you can find on my Amazon link. And nothing more plan than to do mark making. Starting with a color that's been in my head since I woke up this morning, which is a prism pour, which is cerulean blue. So I've got periwinkle and some frosted berry. That Rhapsody Rose down, but I still intend to, and I think I'm going to use it on top of periwinkle. I think that's where I'm going to put some Midnight Shadow, if I can lay my hands on it real quick. On this one spot. And it's probably going to disappear because I'm not going to clean my spatula off. I keep getting called to yellow, which is kind of weird right at this moment, but that's okay. Thinking Tuscan Sun. There's the Tuscan Sun, and this is Yellow Orange. That was Tuscan Sun at one point in time, but became a mix of Gone Bananas, which is a prism pour, Holly Berry, and other miscellaneous red oranges, just to make things the color I wanted them to be. I'm going to grab my largest silicone brush. And some Orange Crush. And I want some red or some pink, and I think that's coming right up with the Dancing Fuchsia on top of another dose of Frosted Berry. I think I'm being called for a little more orange. Now, I do want to do some things right now. It occurs to me. So it's been a few hours and this is looking a lot more dry. There's almost nothing that's damp left in there. No, it's all pretty good. I've got some Big Apple. And a little Rush. And I have no idea where this is going to go. And I actually pulled out the Rhapsody Rose. That was Vibrant Aqua. Pressing board, that's Fandango. This is my little brush that still has indigo, perfect indigo on one side. Yellow-orange color. I feel the need for something darker down here. And that paint chip is just dogging me. Maybe it's a different one. Now, I wanted something really dark. I'm going to take a risk and use some Blue Velvet in a couple of places. I might actually mix some purple in with that up there. And if I can find the Whispering Wisteria, which I seem to have put away, I found it. Yes! They're kind of like that, actually. I want some more turquoise, and I want it where that yellow is, and I don't know how that's going to work, but I want to try it anyway. I'm kind of looking forward to messing with it. I'll be back. Some white and some pink diamond. And I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing at all. Hoping my pink diamond is open enough to get a bunch out. I kind of want to mix it with some orange, and I'm not sure that's a good idea. Part of me is like, you should just wait and not do anything right now. Whoa, that's a rather large clot that does not belong on my painting. Interesting. Not helpful at all. Some African violet, and I think I'm going to use it. And then switch it around. And use my excess where right there, right there. I still want to try some white. There's some black. I'm going to use, I have a medium-sized brush. I do like adding black. The drama just makes me happy. Let's see what the deal is. Grab a clean Q-tip. Modify that black overflow. That's kind of cool. It's not discouraging me from wanting to do more. Right here. I think I'm going to use makes me want to do it with the white. But where? The question is that level enough? Or is it going to bug me? Do I want to do it with some gold? Maybe I do. I don't think I've done that exact thing before. I think it's safer to use the little tool. And I want some residual along my edge. I'm going to spread it out more evenly. I want to bring that down. I'm in the exact opposite position than the one I want to be in. Paint's a little sticky to do what I'm going to try and do. I'm already happier with what I've got though. Might have to call it good for now. We'll see. Please don't dip the done for the moment. See you when it's dry. Well, I thought I'd be back and paint another layer, but I think I'm done. My husband told me he thought it was done. So I'm going to call it good and just do another. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.